The beetroot is the taproot portion of a beet plant, usually known in North America as beets, while the vegetable is referred to as beetroot in British English, and also known as the table beet, garden beet, red beet, dinner beet, or golden beet. What are benefits of beetroot? Beets are rich in folate, vitamin B9, which helps cells grow and function. Folate plays a key role in controlling damage to blood vessels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Beets are naturally high in nitrates, which are turned into nitric oxide in the body. Can beetroot be eaten daily? Beet is possibly safe for most people when taken by mouth in medicinal amounts. Beet can make urine or stools appear pink or red. But this is not harmful. There is concern that beets might cause low calcium levels and kidney damage. What are the 10 benefits of beets? Here's how. Helps lower blood pressure. Beet juice may help lower your blood pressure. Improves exercise stamina. May improve muscle power in people with heart failure. May slow the progression of dementia. Helps you maintain a healthy weight. May prevent cancer. Good source of potassium. Good source of other minerals. What are the disadvantages of beetroot? Beetroot side effects and reactions. Hypotensive effects, lowers blood pressure. Beeturia, pink-colored waste. Mild allergic reactions. Oxalates may impede calcium absorption. Upset stomach from beetroot side effects. Fatigue or dizziness during pregnancy. Possible kidney stones. Are beets high in sugar? It's true that beets do have more sugars than many other vegetables, about 8 grams in a serving of 2 small beets. But that's hardly the same as getting 8 grams of sugars from a cookie. Beets are high in fiber, which traps the sugar and slows its absorption into the bloodstream. Who should avoid beetroot? If a person is suffering from any kind of allergy or skin rash problem, he should avoid including beetroot in the diet. This can highly increase your problem of allergies and skin rashes. Diabetic patients should also avoid eating beetroot as it can increase your problem even more.